You my big girl. You ready to go play? She's like, well, I'm going to go back up there. Is she going to go back up there? She is like, she's going to go get that container. Girls. Is that you watch? Is that you guard a house? A bird's eye view? Here comes my goat. Oh no. I knew they were going to do that soon. So I could get a little bit of a better view. But they moved. You want to jump back up? You guys are so beautiful. Yes, you are. There goes Murray. Yeah, I knew that's what she was gonna do. Violet! Violet! Come here, girl. Violet! Come here, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, boy. Come on. Jump back up. Jump back up. Hello. Hope you're doing good. We got Molly Autumn and Violet Teresa and Murray. I'm trying to get my glove back on. Yeah. You need to give this back to me. You guys ready to play? Yeah, you're having a blast. Shit.